Okay guys, this is Soul Reaper coming back at you again. Sorry it's been so long. I've had a lot of stuff going on with family and business, so I've kind of I even took a break from the game. So I'm going to hit a couple things that you guys might be interested in knowing on the game. First off, our server is an absolute chaotic mess, and it doesn't seem like there's ever going to be any peace. So it's basically all at war all the time. First off, I'll show you the best way. Like you see my resources are all overstocked. So a huge way that helps your alliance too is just donate a bunch of the resources. So if you can contribute any more and you want to, then go ahead and do that. I think I'm maxed on everything else. Yeah. So then the other thing is, right now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Arms Race, but that's going on. You want to take advantage of that the best you can. So that's another way that I burn up a bunch of resources. So I'll just keep recruiting troops until I run out of resources. And I have beyond a lot of speed ups because I just haven't ever used them. Like, what am I ever going to do with all these? You never get enough resources to be able to use this many speed ups. And you're probably wondering why I'm using blue cannons. Blue cannons is for farming, and actually once you get up to like my level, you can do a lot of damage with blue cannons. So like you just build tons and tons of them, so you can have 8 waves of farming, plus you can sit there and attack people and just lose blue cannons all day long. I mean, you can do the same thing with blue grenadiers, blue musketmen, and blue cavalry too, just depending upon what your strongest hero is. You want to utilize a troop that's really easy for you to waste, like build really fast, is cheap to build, and has a decent amount of strength. That's the sort of troop you want to do. Now you may be asking why or how I know blue cannons are the best for me, and I will show you that. Blue cannons are the best for me because if you go to generals right here, my best general is Napoleon right now, which is a triple S general. He's +9 and he's 4 stars, so that's why I'm using cannons. I have Toussaint, which, I mean, he's pretty close, so I could use, in some scenarios, grenadiers, but my research and tech is more geared towards artillery too, and I believe my fittings are as well. My fittings are decently geared towards. So some main things you want to focus on is try to get all your fittings up to at least orange and try to max them on orange. I don't really care too much about musketmen and cavalry, so I have 2 of them that aren't orange yet. It's really hard to get reds right now. They used to have, like, I wish I would have invested more money back when you could get red fittings, but now it's really hard to get red fittings, it seems like. Something you want to focus on that I've been focusing harder on is military lab. Now, what you want to do is try to boost all of these up to 10. Like, just focus. Do not worry about your power. Like, I'm 4 gig power, but my troops are higher advanced than the other guy on the server who has almost 6 gig power. So, I mean, you need to just not worry so much about power and worry a lot more about the strength of your actual troops, and eventually numbers will come further after that. So another thing I always suggest, max out battle pass. Like, get both sides of it, and if you can, do your due diligence and try to at least get to the 30, so log in every day. But honestly, once you get to Like, level 40 is awesome with your puncture parts. Defense parts are awesome. Your random fitting case for a red one, and a red metal chest, and a black equipment chest. So, like, I know it costs roughly $600. Well, it'll be $650 to get that thing fully maxed out. But instead of buying in these other packs, like, if you are going to, for any reason, purchase anything and spend roughly $600, do it on Battle Pass. And I mean, do it smart. And actually, it could cost you less, like $400 if you do it if you buy the gems and get gems. If you do it during that, then you can probably get more out of it. Oh, something I really wanted to hit. So I haven't shown really too many people this, but it's something that's pretty cool, and you all need to know about it. So actually, I think I can switch this out and I can show you. So that red one was a level 49 before. Now I'm going to use the level 49. And we're going to see, it should go to like level 52. So I always do that with like reds even. If I get a red, say, okay, so this 82 HP right here, I can't level that up anymore unless I go like this. I change it out to an HP that is a level 1. And then I hit upgrade it with my HP that was 82. And I don't have that greatly enhanced yet. So I'm going to do that. And I can upgrade it 1 level. And you can do that. Generally, I wouldn't do that on something that I already refined. But no big deal right now. Now I'm going to show you guys the refining process. Upgrade, nope. Go to refine. First thing you want to do is unlock everything. You do not want to refine with things locked. Then, never lock any of them. Like, always let it keep refining. Now watch. This one's green and this one's green. They're going to stay green. They will never go anything lower than what they were until you hit gold. Then they can drop back down. But see, that one's blue. I hit it again. It stayed blue, and it changed something else. Now that one's blue. Now all of those are blue. Look at my power just boosting up. Now all of those are blue. Now that one's purple. Like, it's just crazy. Now it went gold. I'm probably going to keep it gold. Or actually, just for the purpose of showing you, it can drop back down after it goes gold. And actually it went orange, and I just boosted the heck out of attack and everything on that one. So that was pretty neat. Basically, I only keep black things, and are all these unlocked? I just want to make sure. And all these red 90s. Where do we find some of these? See, before I knew anything about this locking, I would lock everything. Don't. Do them all simultaneously. Eventually they will boost up to, like, see? Now it's purple. Now the other one's blue. Now I have 2 yellows and a blue. I pretty much just keep going until I get like a yellow or a couple of yellows. Looks like I went mostly blues on these. I think I'm going to keep focusing on the blacks though. See, like this one. Didn't even realize. Oh, this wasn't even. It's already all completely unlocked. Just keep going. I just must have ran out of refining materials. But the reason I say don't lock it is because it keeps the color. It will change, whatever. But to me, that's not important. Plus, if I lock it, now I just doubled the price. So I can do 2 for, the original price. And you can just keep having a chance of gradually increasing all of them. Maybe once you hit orange and stuff like that, you're going to want to lock it. But here, let's see if that one changes from yellow. I've had them go backwards before from yellow. So I'm probably boosting a bunch of power right now. I'm just trying to show you guys some cool stuff. So I'm going to at least get all these green. Maybe that'll be a new goal for me. Just keep going until, okay, now they're all at least green. If you guys can't tell, NF is my favorite artist. So wow, didn't even realize that all these weren't unlocked. I'm glad I'm doing this with you guys. Hopefully I don't rub my mic too much this time and you guys can actually hear everything I'm saying. But this is... you guys need to tell me some stuff that you want to see, because I have so many secrets on this game. It's not even funny that I would love to show all of you guys, but I need to kind of know what you guys want to know, because I feel like I'm repeating myself. So I guess that's all for this video. You guys let me know what you want to see and learn, and we'll go from there. Peace out.